This tech tip is about leveraging SURFCAM to work for you using deferred generation. Deferred generation allows you to run through the process of creating a toolpath, but deferring the generation of the toolpath until a later point in time. Here, we're going to begin the roughing process as normal. Selecting surfaces, selecting material. We have tooling. We're going to leave 30 on for the roughing process. And because we're leaving so much on, we can increase the surface tolerance to help speed up the toolpath calculation process. But this is typically how SURFCAM is run. You set up the form, you click OK, and then you have to wait for the toolpath to calculate. Next, we will turn deferred generation on by selecting the deferred generation button, which is 4 buttons to the right of the operations manager. In our example, the roughing would be verified, posted, and running in the CNC machine while we start preparations for semi-finishing and finishing. Here we're selecting our surfaces, getting our toolpath template, which is still leaving material on, and its main purpose is just to smooth out the steps from the roughing. So we're going to leave 10 thousandths on, and we'll keep the surface tolerance approximately 1/3 of the stock to leave. Select our boundary, done, done, and accept the toolpath. Here, we are setting up the finishing process. Again, selecting surfaces. And choosing a template. This template is preset to machine things a specific way, with 0 on and a very tight surface tolerance for toolpath accuracy to the model. Next, we're going to choose a 2-axis contour toolpath to take care of the large flat area, using both a part chain and a material chain. We'll select our template. Make sure everything looks good and accept. In the Operations Manager, we see our queued toolpaths after the roughing. And now we will turn deferred generation off to allow those 3 toolpaths to begin the calculation process. Prompt line will show us how far through the process we are. With a little bit of movie magic, we're going to speed up the overall calculation time for these three toolpaths. And with toolpath calculation complete, we see the green associativity icons, verify, and post.